Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. Today we are going to solve the remaining question of chapter 7 logical reasoning for class 4. For first 15 question, please watch part 1 video. Link is given in description box. Let's start with question number 16. Some letters are given which are number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 followed by the 4 option containing combination of this number. Find the combination of numbers so that letters arranged according form a meaningful word. Now here first A option 4, 3, 5, 6, 1, 2. 4 means P, then 3Z, 5E, 6Z, 1L and 2U. B 4P, 3Z, 2U, 1L, 5E and 6Z. Option C 4P, 2U, 3Z, 1L, 6Z and 5E. Option D 4P, 2U, 3Z, 6Z, 1L and 5E. Out of 4, which word is meaningful? Puzzle is meaningful word. So option D is correct. Question number 17. Gaurav's birthday falls just after 4th Tuesday of September 20XX. The date on which Gaurav celebrates his birthday is 4th Tuesday means this is first Tuesday, second, third and fourth Tuesday. And just after 4th Tuesday means 23rd. So Gaurav celebrates his birthday on 23rd September. So A is right answer. Question number 18. Select the odd one out. Here except Q, all option has line of symmetry. Only Q has no line of symmetry. So B is correct answer. Question number 19. If earth is called sky, sky is called water, water is called light and light is called air, then if someone is thirsty, what would he drink? If someone is thirsty, he will drink water, but water is called light. So A is correct answer. Question number 20. If plane is written as and ankle is written as, then how will lane be written? L is written as, A is written as hash, N is written as, and E is written as. So option B is correct answer. Question number 21. Which of the following is heaviest? Here this is equal to 9 kg and this can and watermelon is equal to 6 kg and ball and watermelon is equal to 5 kg. So if I minus this from this I will get the weight of ball. Means football is 3 kg. If I minus football and watermelon from 9, I will get the weight of can. This can weight is, here can plus football plus watermelon is equal to 9. So I put can weight 4, football 3 and watermelon. So I will get the weight of watermelon. 4 plus 3 7 and 9 minus 7 2. So among all these, which is heaviest? Can. So A is correct answer. Question number 22. The vanilla cake is larger than coconut cake and chocolate cake is larger than vanilla cake but smaller than mango cake. Which of the following is correct order of cake from largest to smallest? So according to question, the vanilla cake is larger than coconut cake. Vanilla cake larger than coconut cake, and chocolate cake is larger than vanilla cake. Larger than chocolate cake, larger than vanilla cake but smaller than mango cake. Means mango is larger. So this is the correct order of cakes from largest to smallest. So D is correct answer. Direction for 23 and 24. In which of the following option figure X is embedded as one of its part? Figure X is embedded in option A. So A is right answer. Question number 24. Figure X is embedded in C. So C is correct answer. Question number 25. Which of following number will continue the given series? Here we find out the difference between 270 minus 268. 68 and 64 difference is 4. 68 minus 4, 64. 64 and 58, the difference is 6. 64 minus 58 is equal to 6. Then 58 minus 50 is 8. Then what will come here? This is the table of 10. After 8, 10 will come. Means 50 minus 10, 40. So B is right answer. Question number 26. If the day before yesterday was Thursday, then what day will be the day after tomorrow? Day before yesterday was Thursday. Then what? Yesterday was Friday. Then today is Saturday. Tomorrow will Sunday. And day after tomorrow will be Monday. So A is correct answer. Question number 27. In a play competition, there are 5 finalists. Yashika. She has only one girl behind her. The order of girl from first to last is Yashika saying she has only one girl behind her. Anya saying she is not first, means maybe she is last. Soumya is saying she is just after Mini Soumya. And Kirti just before Yashika, just before Yashika. Then Mini dash and dash at first and last position respectively, means first position Mini is there and last position Anya. So B is right answer. Question number 28. How many triangles are there in a given figure? Triangle is, this big triangle is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 12 triangles in given figure. Question number 29. Hema walks toward west. After traveling some distance, she take a right turn, and again traveling some distance, she take left turn. In which direction she will be facing now? Assuming this is north, south, east and west. So she walks toward west. After some distance, she take a right turn, means this side. Right turn again, traveling some distance, and she take left turn. So she is facing west direction. So C is correct answer. Question number 30. How many possible combination of one notebook and one pen can be formed from 5 notebook and 3 pen? There are 5 notebook and 3 pen. So with each pen 5 combinations are possible. So this pen 5 combination, with this pen 5 combination, and with this pen 5 combination are possible. So total 15 combination are possible. Option D is correct answer. Thank you for watching. I hope you like the video. Do practice well and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.